Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies at home with oven. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, cream 1 cup butter with 1 cup sugar until light, add 2 eggs and 1 tsp vanilla, then stir in 2½ cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, and a ½ tsp salt. Fold in 1 cup chocolate chips. Scoop tablespoons onto a sheet and bake 10-12 minutes until edges are golden. Start by measuring ingredients accurately and soften butter to room temperature for proper creaming. Mix until just combined to avoid overworking gluten, then chill the dough for about 30 minutes. Scoop uniform tablespoons for even baking. Place dough on parchment-lined sheets with 2 inches between each, and rotate trays halfway through baking for consistent color and texture across batches. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with their lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts longer than a batch of cookies. I love how they hold up through long kitchen sessions and slow mornings alike. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bake cookies on the middle rack to get even browning, and watch edges for that slight golden color. Let cookies cool on the tray for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to set properly. For storage, use an airtight container at room temperature and add a slice of bread to keep cookies soft, or freeze dough balls for future baking and quick fresh cookies anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.